Welcome to Bikesphere Pro, your ultimate destination for all things motorcycles. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet 350, a machine that carries forward its legendary heritage with modern refinements. Is this the perfect balance between nostalgia and performance? Let's find out. Timeless design with modern touches. The 2025 Bullet 350 stays true to its classic roots, featuring the iconic teardrop fuel tank, chrome details, and hand-painted pinstripes. However, subtle refinements, such as an updated seat, improved switchgear, and better fit and finish, bring a modern touch while maintaining its vintage appeal. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the new Bullet 350 is powered by the same 349 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, air-cooled engine seen in the Meteor 350 and Classic 350. Producing 20.2 brake horsepower and 27 Nm of torque, this engine delivers a smooth, refined ride, thanks to its counterbalanced crankshaft. The 5-speed gearbox ensures effortless cruising, whether you're riding through city streets or open highways. Ride quality and handling. The Bullet 350 is built on the J-Series platform, which offers improved stability and comfort. The telescopic front forks and twin rear shock absorbers ensure a plush ride, soaking up bumps effortlessly. With a curb weight of around 195 kilograms, it remains manageable while providing a planted feel on the road. Features and technology. Though the Bullet has always been about simplicity, the 2025 model brings a few modern upgrades. It now features a semi-digital instrument cluster with a trip meter, fuel gauge, and optional tripper navigation. The addition of dual-channel ABS enhances braking confidence, making it safer than ever. Pricing and verdict. With an expected price tag of 1.80 Indian rupees lakh to 2 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom, the new Bullet 350 remains an affordable yet premium offering in the retro motorcycle segment. It continues to be the perfect choice for riders who crave old-school charm with a touch of modern reliability. Final thoughts. The 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet 350 is a true evolution of a legend. It's not just a motorcycle, it's an experience. If you're a fan of timeless design, relaxed cruising, and Royal Enfield's rich legacy, this one's for you. Stay tuned to Bikesphere Pro for more motorcycle reviews and updates. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ride safe and see you in the next one.